which was on the verge of bankruptcy.
Donald's fate was entwined with New Mexico still, having many of the violence issues that New Mexico had, including...
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You don't...
About. It appears that your garbage bullpen is surprise garbage. How's that adding rentals to the hitting pool working?
Is one of the few companies to rework. You can still sell them today. They're still a major part of the business.
What the fuck was that?
Under the illusion that they can out-earn their goal you are with your time, the more energy you have. Working with no...
Holy
He's getting hot, yes indeed.
caring. And their part is to be emotionally mature
Stay in
enough
your own
to
lane!
honor the process by acting like...
Come on.
This price can go here. And, I mean, they just have tons and tons of these. I mean, movement watches. And
That's no left turn.
I get sick, Sharon makes me sick. That's how this works.
I think he wants to communicate.
Yeah, fuck you. Go. What are you doing?
Okay. That's it. That's the extent of my formal education.
Come on. It's like the longest delayed reaction ever. Like, what the hell?
Something else I can do without aftershave alone. And this disgusting shit.
It's a hollow point for this thing. What the fuck?
There's going to be a room on the other side of where I am if you want to be with the...
Holy shit! What the fuck?
What happened?
I almost got sideswiped.